changed out this little busted thing for this new one. So, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. I know that they don't really make it universal for the Himalayan, just like they don't make a tail tidy and things like that. But, you know, if you just follow a simple wiring diagram and just make sure everything's cleaned up. I got all the old grease out of the plug down in here, put some dielectric in there. So now it's actually water resistant. But now definitely I'll be seeing, and then once I get a new resistor, I'm going to be running the internal turn signals in there and then deleting the ones up here and back there. So should be a good time. Have a new headlight coming in also, so looking forward to updating the bike a little bit and cleaning that up also.